Hello my viewer, welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. So we have 5 different shoes, type, colors, starting with this one, black lace, cylindrical, breathable fabric, elastic, not too much, Eva sole. It is an ethylene vinyl acetate sole. It is lightweight, providing comfortable foot support and shock absorption. However, one drawback is that it can be slippery sometimes. It depends the terrain. But I like the design. Definitely I will see how it looks on me. The inner sole, let's remove the inner sole, fabric, soft material, let's move on at the next shoe, chocolate, it is the color, cylindrical lace, fabric, breathable fabric, more or less are the same with this one. The same sole. Let's check on the inner sole, white, I like the color. It is something different from the ordinary. Now, the same sole in here. The same material, black and white shoe, cylindrical lace, let's remove the inner sole. Nice, I like the color, black and white, and the design, elastic fabric, breathable fabric, the same all these shoes. Now next, let's go at this orange with black, fabric around, breathable, not elastic, flat lace, inner sole, it is like a sponge fabric here, it is MD sole material, is also known as a phylon sole. It is a lightweight material for shoe soles with good elasticity and impact resistance. Okay, nice. Of course, I need to wear these shoes to understand if are comfortable or not. And the last one, I have left this for the last because I like the most from all the other shoes. Fabric, elastic in some areas, breathable shoe on a beautiful blue and black color. I like the sole. Rubber sole are one of the most common and widely used materials. It is known of its flexibility, excellent elasticity, waterproofing, slip resistant and durability. However, it is relatively heavy, yes it is, and can have a distinct tire odor. Not to me, it doesn't smell. And the inner sole, again we can see this design with the holes, fabric, elastic. So I will wear these 4. This is 39, all these shoes are 46. I like the design here at the sole, black and this white color around, splashing white. I think this shoe it is the most durable. Blue and black lace. So let's wear one by one all these shoes and see how much comfortable are on me. It is nice to wear these shoes in many occasions like running, walking, cycling, everyday activities in your life. Shoes are so comfortable and lightweight that you hardly feel you are wearing shoes. Of course, you need to choose the right shoe size. If you ask me which shoe I will choose out of all these, it will be this one. It is not light, it has a rubber sole, and it is definitely more comfortable for me than all the other shoes. Design and color are all personal choices, buy what you like best. The cost of these shoes makes you care less about whether they are good or not. So I paid for all these 6 pairs. There was another similar to one of these shoes, only difference was smaller size. It was only 44 euros. That's right, 44 euros. So I don't care if they only last a year, the price is so low. I'm not saying I'm going to compromise my comfort in one of these shoes, but actually some of these shoes are very good. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.